When you are a husband, a leader, also I have to become a leader. If the government can't reach there, I have the opportunity to go there. In my background, I was a teacher. That's why I help the orphans and vulnerable children to come from the poor background to become rich. Rich not means to have money, but when you have education, you are rich. When you give education to a girl, you give to the whole family.
My first project was working with children who became orphans as a result of the war we had just come through as a country. Back then, that's late 80s, that time changed so much in Uganda and destroyed so much. HIV and AIDS had also just come, and it was terrible. And so I was working with children who would be left orphaned. It needed understanding, but it also needed creating a lot of awareness. I wanted to give something back. It didn't matter where I was coming from and who I really was. Being a wife of the president, you hurt because they are hurting. They could understand why I was there. Because what I was doing from a mother's perspective.
First lady, they mostly call them the mother of the nation. But it's true because she also plays a role to be open to people who are really not able to reach to the president. I have been in the nursing profession for so many years, and I have seen a lot of people dying from cancer. Even yesterday, I came back to a funeral of my cousin who died from cervical cancer. And even my mother died because of that. All the nations are really affected by this disease. I want everybody to know so that we save our nations or our people.
Today, I am in power. After a few years, I will finish. This is something which I do from my heart. I believe the children, they remember. Without mama, we will not be here.
There are many things which I have attended to as a first lady. Some are completed, some are still in the process. Myself, I hope they are maybe saying yes, it was good. But I can tell that I have really changed a lot of lives, especially in Namibia. I think that will be my legacy.
We are at that place in Africa where not everybody who needs support can get it. There are problems that were not there when I was young, but there are certain things that are still the same. You will go to school, you finish school, you get a job, you will have a family. That's what children would aspire to do. We are the ones who must find that solution. And if there is anything I can do, and do it, and it saves even one life, that's the best thing I can do with my life.